some reason, after the repairs and the fix, the new gasket and the proper sealants on the bolt being tightened, the bike is doing really well in this weather. Let's see, it's 4 miles in, but the weather is really bad. I will take a chance and check out the dunes. I may not be able to go all the way through. That's Mount Baldy, and I spotted a deer. There's a lot of wildlife here. Beautiful. This is Mount Baldy, guys. It's part of Indiana Dunes. I'm pushing hard in this weather. I'm cramping up a bit, especially when I'm taking off. I feel a bit cramped up because of hot, cold. But I think I have a better shot here, so you can imagine what I'm trying to tell you guys. I'll share with you guys here. This is Lake Michigan. This is part of Indiana sand dunes, and it's absolutely beautiful. I think with that, I just start heading towards Chicago before it gets too dark and it's on the high-speed way because you don't spot me anymore. I'm kind of in New Buffalo on Highway 12, heading back to 41, back into Chicago. The bike really stood its test of being a dual. It was rain, storm, cold weather, high winds. It was about 116 miles, 117 miles, 200 kilometers. It took about 2.5 hours. Just to give an idea, the amount of rain that was coming down and how much I was soaked. So I had the heated jacket, which kept me warm and going. So my body was dry, pants were dry, but down, because it's a dual, there's a lot of water coming through and my boots were soaked.
If you like watching Riding with Cash, hit subscribe and join me on the next ride.